Hey YouTube, K's Garage here, doing another video. This is going to be putting on some side steps slash Nerf bars on a 2011 to 2018 Dodge Durango. The ones I ordered specifically said the RT models did not fit. I'm not sure about the SRT model. The Citadel Crew and the standard V6 models will fit, all-wheel drive, all that. Just the RT and the SRT for sure said no. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. These are the parts. I've already started on the other side with my cousin. He's currently underneath the Durango, tightening the other side. So I'm going to show you how to do the passenger side. It's identical for each side. So right underneath, there are these little rubber grommets, and then there are 6 of them. So you're going to find the first one, which is right here. You're going to go to the second one, right there. And they come out very easily. Just grab it and pull it out. So you're going to take the second, the 4th, and the 6th, and pull those out. Okay, so once done doing that, we'll come over to your hardware, and there's these L brackets. So the way these work, you have to slide this end up and into that hole. They're little plastic retainers. I already have one prepped to show you basically how to put it in and what it'll look like. So going back under to the second one, you're going to take this, put it up in like that, and then you're going to twist 90 degrees roughly until it stops. That's going to be the mark of where you basically leave it. That'll hold it so that way it doesn't twist and ever fall out like that. So once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and get all the other 3 done, or the other 2 done, and show you what that'll look like, and then I'll show you how to mount the brackets. Okay, so this is the tricky part. You're going to need a flat washer and the lock nut and one of the brackets. How we determined which bracket was correct for which side is this is going to face the back of the car. So it's going to go that way since it's the passenger. On the other side, it was like this, and it was facing that way. And that was due to the instructions. So that was correct. So those bolts that I just put in, or those brackets, are going to mount to these brackets. So you're going to slide it just on that point out to the car, and you're going to put the washer on first and then the nut. So let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so this is what the bracket looks like. So just like that. And then right here on the pinch welds, there are 2 holes with where the brackets mount. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of the, or 2 of these, but right now just one. And then you're going to take 2 washers and a lock nut. Let me pause this real quick. Alright, and then now you just take it, put it right through, draw on the bracket, take the other washer, place it over the bolt, Alright, once that's done, you're going to go ahead and put the other one on and do the same for the last 2. So I'll go ahead and do the last 2 and show you what that looks like. So this is what it's going to look like. You got the 3 4V mounts for the bar itself, and I'll just line up the bolts. and then you'll have 3 bolts left. Can you push it my way a little bit? There you go. Alright, and then on these mounts, they are able to be adjusted so you can tilt the bar to your liking, pretty much. So when tightening all the bolts, the order you want to go in is you're going to do the pinch weld bolts, then the bracket bolt, okay, right there. And then lastly, you're going to do the bars themselves, those bolts. And the threaded inserts on the bars themselves, if you tighten them too much, you will strip the insert out. Or not strip it out, but you could twist it and it could potentially fall out of the bar. And then you will no longer have a mounting point for that bolt. So we're now going to tighten everything up in that order, and then show you guys the finished. We actually have that side finished over there, but we'll show you both sides finished. So, just wait. Alright, here is the finished product. I like it. Looks nice. I was very skeptical about putting these on here. The reason why I got these was for my wife. It was her first car mod. This is what she wanted. I was talking to her one night, and she said she wanted some Nerf bars or side steps or whatever she wanted to call them, because we were having some problems with our seat. So this broke. Started falling off completely, so then that's starting to cut a hole from sitting right there. So that's from scooting in, sitting down on the side of that. So this will help prevent that. You slide in without actually sitting on that part. And then when you step out, instead of scooting out, you step down. So it's very nice. I weigh 250 pounds, and it seems to be holding my weight pretty well. So, get a better angle. Look, see if that's a, God, what is it called? Thumbnail. There we go. So, if you guys like the video, please leave a comment down below. Maybe there's something we missed or did wrong. I don't see anything. Just keep your little extra things just in case. I took out too many, so I got to pop some back in. But that's fine. I'll do that off the video. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Please leave a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. If this helps you out, please leave a comment down below. And I hope you guys have a great day, great night, whatever time you're watching this.